Hey there everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the top 15 business ideas and suggestions that millennials and young people can make money from. So, if you're a young person or young at heart looking for some interesting ideas to start your own business, you're in the right place. Let's dig in. Idea 1. Number 1 is starting a social media management agency. With the rise of social media platforms, businesses are constantly looking for ways to improve their online presence. As a millennial, you probably have a good understanding of social media, so why not turn that knowledge into a profitable business? You can help businesses create content, manage their accounts, and grow their following. Idea 2. Number 2 is launching a subscription box service. Subscription boxes have become increasingly popular in recent years, and there's a market for almost anything. From beauty products to snacks, you can create a niche subscription box that caters to a specific audience. This is a great way to generate recurring revenue and build a loyal customer base. Idea 3. The third idea is starting an online course or coaching business. If you have a skill or expertise in a particular area, you can create an online course or offer coaching services to help others learn and grow. This can be done through platforms like Teachable or Udemy, or even through your own website. Idea 4. Number 4 is becoming a freelance writer or graphic designer. With the rise of remote work, there's a high demand for skilled freelancers who can create content or design visuals for businesses. You can build a portfolio and start pitching your services to clients, or join platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to find work. Idea 5. Number 5 is starting a podcast. Podcasts have become a popular form of entertainment, and there's a niche for almost any topic. If you have a passion for a particular subject, you can create a podcast and monetize it through sponsorships, ads, or even Patreon. Start a podcast on a niche topic that you are passionate about and knowledgeable about, such as personal development, entrepreneurship, or pop culture. Invest in quality recording equipment and editing software to produce high-quality episodes. Develop a content strategy, including episode topics, guest interviews, and promotional activities. Grow your audience through social media, podcast directories, and collaborations with other podcasters or influencers. Monetize your podcast through sponsorships, advertising, or selling related products and services. Idea 6. Idea number 6 is opening an online store. E-commerce is booming, and there's never been a better time to start an online store. Whether you're selling handmade products, drop shipping, or offering digital products, platforms like Shopify and Etsy make it easy to set up your store and start selling. Just find a niche you're passionate about and start building your brand. Idea 7. Idea number 7 is becoming an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. You can create content around these products, such as blog posts, YouTube videos, or social media posts, and share your affiliate links with your audience. Platforms like Amazon Associates and ShareASale make it easy to find products to promote. Idea 8. Idea number 8 is starting a virtual event planning business. With the shift towards remote work and virtual events, there's a growing demand for professionals who can plan and execute successful online events. You can offer services like event planning, coordination, and marketing to help businesses and individuals create memorable virtual experiences. Idea 9. Idea number 9 is launching a mobile app or game. If you have a great idea for an app or game, you can turn it into a profitable business. You don't need to be a developer to get started. You can hire a team or use app building platforms like AppyPie or Buildfire. Once your app is live, you can monetize it through ads, in-app purchases, or even by charging for the app itself. Identify a problem or need in the market and develop a mobile app for iOS and Android platforms to address it. This can include creating productivity tools, educational apps, games, or lifestyle apps. Collaborate with designers, marketers, and other professionals to create a polished and user-friendly app. Promote your app through social media, app store optimization, and targeted advertising. Idea 10. The 10th idea is starting a YouTube channel. As a millennial, you're probably no stranger to YouTube. Creating a channel around your passion or expertise can be a great way to build an audience and generate income through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Just remember, consistency and quality content are key to growing your channel. Idea 11. Idea number 11 is influencer marketing. As a millennial, it is an excellent way to make money and build your personal brand. You can leverage your social media following to become an influencer and promote products or services to your audience. Idea 12. Idea number 12 is app development. As technology continues to advance, there is a growing need for app developers. If you have programming skills, you can create apps for businesses or develop your own app that meets a need in the market and generate revenue by offering in-app purchases, displaying ads within the apps, etc. You can offer your app development services to businesses and individuals who need custom apps. This can be a lucrative way to make money, especially if you specialize in a specific type of app or industry. Idea 13. Idea number 13 is handmade crafts. You can design and create unique handmade items, such as jewelry, home decor, or clothing, using high-quality materials and techniques. Showcase your creations through an online store on platforms like Etsy or your own website. Share the story behind your products, your creative process, and any sustainable or ethical practices you follow. Promote your handmade crafts through social media, craft fairs, and collaborations with influencers or other artisans. Idea 14. Idea number 14 is stock photography. You can capture high-quality, unique images in various categories, such as landscapes, people, food, or architecture, and sell them through stock photography websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Develop a signature style and focus on creating images that are in high demand but have low competition. Optimize your portfolio with relevant keywords and descriptions to increase visibility. Promote your stock photography through social media, photography forums, and collaborations with other photographers or content creators. Idea 15. The final idea is travel planning services. You can help clients plan their dream vacations by researching destinations, booking accommodations, arranging transportation, and creating personalized itineraries. Offer specialized services, such as planning honeymoons, family vacations, or adventure trips. Develop relationships with travel suppliers, such as hotels, airlines, and tour operators, to secure the best deals for your clients. Promote your travel planning services through a professional website, social media, and partnerships with travel influencers or bloggers. So there you have it, the top 15 business ideas that millennials can make money from. Remember, the most important thing is to find something you're passionate about and stay committed to your goals. With hard work and determination, you can turn any of these ideas into a successful business. Also, before diving into your entrepreneurial journey, it's crucial to create a well-thought-out business plan. This plan should outline your business idea, target market, competitive analysis, marketing strategy, financial projections, and operational structure. Network and build relationships. As a young entrepreneur, it's essential to establish connections with like-minded individuals, mentors, and industry professionals. Attend networking events, join online forums, and engage with others on social media platforms to expand your network. Building strong relationships can open doors to new opportunities, provide valuable advice, and help you gain credibility in your industry. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Good luck on your entrepreneurial journey.